Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this KD. This is not cheese. This is their vegan version of Kraft dinner, which is really neat. I've never seen this before. It is more expensive than their regular version, of course. So they use Notco to help make it, and apparently they use AI to help simulate the cheese flavor. So, but yeah, plant-based, as you can see, vegan. So right there. Alright, so let me show you the ingredients here. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And the neat thing is they use pineapple to create that sort of taste, which is interesting. So I'm curious if it's actually going to be too sweet or anything like that. There's the nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so that's what the shells look like, and here's the cheese flavor. So I'm going to cook it up and I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to add like some vegetables to it or something like that too, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's all done. I cooked it up. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, it does smell like pineapple. I do smell pineapple in this because they do use it as one of the ingredients to mimic that taste. But yeah, it smells like pineapple. So, so let me try this out for you guys right now. Let me try one without the peas. Okay, so when you put it in your mouth, you don't really taste the pineapple, but you smell the pineapple. But when you taste it, it actually does taste like cheese, like the regular, slightly salty, like Kraft dinner original cheese. So that's actually pretty good. I don't find it overly sweet from the pineapple or anything. It tastes fine. So, but it does have the aroma of pineapple. All right, guys. Stay tuned for more videos and remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.